Hey there, language learners. Today will be all about the ultimate showdown, present simple versus present continuous. Let's unravel the mysteries of these two tenses and become grammar gurus. First up, present simple. Think of it as your trusty sidekick for routines and habits. It's your go-to for things that happen like clockwork. Like, I drink coffee every morning. Now, present continuous is all about the here and now. It's like capturing the action as it happens. I'm making this video right now. Let's put some of these tenses to the test. I'll go through 4 examples with you. Here's number 1. She a book every night. Is it present simple or present continuous? Take a guess. You got it. Present simple is for our bookworm's nightly routine. Now try this. He TV right now. Tough one, right? Present continuous for our TV binge watching session. Let's try a couple more examples to really solidify our understanding. He football with his friends every Saturday. Can you fill in the blank? You got it. He plays football with his friends every Saturday. That's present simple in action. And lastly, right now she on a new project for her company. Yes, that's present continuous, describing an action that's happening in the present moment. Great job! You're mastering these tenses like a pro. Keep practicing, keep learning, and you'll be an English grammar superstar in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more grammar adventures. Until next time, happy learning!